another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're already subscribed, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the dark side of YouTube. From the title, you're probably saying, like, is being a YouTuber really that hard? I know a lot of people may have a lot of questions, especially if you're just not starting a YouTube channel or you already started a YouTube channel and you just stuck. So today I'm going to give y'all a few tips that helped me when I was confused and lost. Yes, being a YouTuber can be hard at times. So before I even continue, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful or if you just enjoyed it. Let's get into the video. First thing I want to start with is choosing topics for YouTube video. So before I get into topics, first, if you're starting a YouTube channel, you need to know why. You need to have a reason to start that channel, because if you don't have a reason, you're not going to want to keep going. So you need to have a reason on why you're starting your channel. My reason, I want to be an entertainer. I want to entertain the world with different videos. That's why I started a YouTube channel. Everyone have different reasons. So make sure you have a reason, because that's going to make you want to keep going in the YouTube world. So now let's get into the topics. The topics, I feel like once you know why you created your YouTube channel, the topics shouldn't be hard. I know sometimes you can run out of ideas, but I feel like there's so much stuff going on in the world that you can get ideas just like that. You may run out this day, tomorrow you may get some more ideas. So I feel like once you know the reason you create your YouTube channel, the topics will just come just like that. When I first started out on YouTube, I didn't have a list of topics written down. I just got on there thinking like, oh, it's easy. Let's just post a video of me doing anything. Post it. Start getting views. Start making money. That's what I thought YouTube was all about. But YouTube is more than that. It's a big competition on YouTube, so you gotta do a lot of shit to stand out. So I'm going to get to what you can do to stand out a little later. So let's move on to subscribers. Gaining subscribers could be hard because a lot of people may watch your videos, but they won't subscribe. And it could be for multiple reasons. It could be because they don't have an actual YouTube account. They don't have an email set up, because in order for you to subscribe to somebody's channel, you have to create an account. Some people don't feel like creating an account, so they watching your videos, but they're not subscribing. Some people don't like your content, so they won't subscribe. They'll still watch it, but they won't subscribe. That's kind of crazy, right? I feel like once you have your fans is going to stay subscribed. They're going to enjoy anything you post, honestly. And if they don't, guarantee the fans are going to tell you. I see it all the time on YouTube, in the comments, on social media, in the comments. They're going to tell you when they feel like they disagree with what you got going on in your video, if they don't like your video. So yeah, gaining subscribers can be hard on YouTube. So just keep that in mind. I feel like gaining views is more easy than gaining subscribers, because some people they just will watch it, but they just watch your videos. They just won't subscribe. That don't mean that you're making trash content. It's just they didn't want to subscribe. Picking a schedule. If you're not doing YouTube full time, it's going to be hard to put your channel on the schedule because you got so much stuff going on. I know that's hard. That's a hard thing for me to do, because I tried to do it before and it didn't work out, because something to come up this day, I might have to go to my child's school this day, I might have to go grocery shopping around this time that I plan to do a video, and by the time I get home, I'm tired, or I have other things to do at home as well. So picking a schedule for your channel can be very hard. I salute everyone who's making it happen that's not doing YouTube full time, but hey, it's not working for me, just to let you know. It's not. I'm trying though. I'm gonna try. The next thing, monetizing your channel. And they changed the rules on YouTube, so it became so hard to get monetized, because you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the last year. And 4,000 watch hours is 240,000 minutes, if you didn't know. And it could be hard because they done changed the YouTube algorithm, if I'm saying it right, and how the videos used to pop up in suggestions and stuff like. I feel like YouTube, before they changed into this new policy, was much better and much easier to make money on YouTube. But now they have it where it's so hard. It's like it's really getting hard to get your channel monetized. I know y'all watch, multiple videos before me. If you're thinking about being a YouTuber and they saying stuff like, oh, it's so easy to get these views, easy to get the subscribers, it's not as easy as you think. You could put out good content, but if everyone is not seeing this content, you're not getting these views, you're not gaining these subscribers. And like I said, I'm making this video because I'm not finna lie, I'm not finna sugarcoat for YouTube. It can get hard at times. Now, what I can advise y'all is promotion is key. And being consistent is key to being successful on YouTube. You have to post often. You have to promote yourself. Get your family to promote you. If they watch your videos, they fuck with what you got going on, get them to promote you. Your friends, get them to promote you. Those are just a few things on my list. If anyone else think anything else is hard about being a YouTuber, you can comment below or inbox me on any one of my social medias. But those are just a few things that I had in mind that I felt like the hard part about being a YouTuber. But I can say to those who are starting out being a YouTuber, go for it. Have fun with it. Do not stress, because once you stress about things, it does not come out right. I'm a living witness. Like, I'm telling you, like, it doesn't come out right. So please don't stress. Have fun, because that's what I'm doing with this. I'm having fun. Let me just give y'all a few tips. Maybe can help some of you out there. First tip, be yourself. Get on camera and just be yourself. Please do not pretend, because people can tell that you're pretending. And even if you're a good actor or actress, after a while, if you're not being your true self, it's going to come out. Either way it go. So I highly recommend get on camera and be yourself. Some people may like your content and some may not, but keep going. Keep going. That don't mean stop. That don't mean, let me go a different route. That don't mean that. Because you could be creating good content, but just because these few people doesn't like it don't mean it's not good content. Okay? Ebony told you that. You're going to thank me later. The next tip is post often, which I mentioned a few minutes ago. Post often. You have to post often. I'm not saying post every day. If you can post every day, do that. But, try to post as much as you can. Me, now I'm trying to post 2 times a week, if not 1. And it's been going good for me so far. So trying to keep it up, because I'm usually spacing out my videos, and I don't like that. I noticed that I get more views and more subscribers the more I post. So keep that in mind. Next tip. Make sure you have a YouTube profile picture and a YouTube banner. The YouTube profile picture is just a little circle with your picture in it. When they search you up, it's right by your name. When they search you up on YouTube. And the YouTube banner is what everyone notices before they go down to your videos. So make sure you have a creative banner. If you want to put your name on it, or what your channel is about, your social media accounts, a picture of you. Just do something to make it stand out, because that what makes your channel pop. Once they see that, they be like, oh, nice banner. And they go down to your videos. Now they looking at your videos. So keep that in mind. I'm currently working on my YouTube banner. Like everything on my channel, I'm doing it myself. So if you want me to help you with anything, I can. I don't mind. But yeah, so I'm working on my YouTube banner. So ignore it for now. A new one will be up soon. Okay. The last but not least tip is make thumbnails that stand out. I'm just now learning this as well. Like before, I used to just post a video and put some type of title, but it wasn't a title that was searchable. It wasn't a title that stood out. It was just a title or whatever my video was about. Now I'm making creative thumbnails, which I'm trying. And the key to the thumbnails is make sure you have a bright thumbnail, because after doing research, like I've been doing research, like these is just, I had to do research, just like y'all watching this video, because y'all thinking about starting a channel, or y'all already got a channel but y'all stuck. I was the same way. I had to do my research. So yeah, make sure y'all have bright thumbnails, and make sure, try to get a picture, of you, a close-up picture of you on that thumbnail. Because like I said, YouTube is a big competition, so your thumbnail and your video have to stand out. When they put your shit in the suggested videos, your video got to stand out. Your video, you got to make people want to click on it. I had to learn that as well. And I've been noticing a big difference once I started creating better thumbnails, creating searchable titles, and all that. So keep that in mind. I think I mentioned this before. Don't stress. Do not stress. When you feel yourself stressing, just stop. Try again later. Do not stress. Do not rush and post videos just because you're in a rush to get monetized and this and that. It takes time. It takes patience. And I'm the type of person, I'm very impatient. So YouTube's been helping me with my patience. So take your time. Do it right. Thank me later. Thank me later. Thank me later. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it helped some of you out there. Like I said, don't give up. Don't stress. Do your thing. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias, y'all. Follow me, follow me, follow me. Until we meet again.